Rouge Cop among 3 dead after dramatic series of events in Spanish Town.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
High-level probe into a stunning series of events that unfolded near Chedwin Park in St. Catherine, where it is alleged that an off-duty police officer saw 3 suspended policemen murder businessman Sheldon Daly, otherwise called Junior Biggs, at a party about 12:30 a.m. and attempted to flee the scene in an AD station wagon motor car, according to Indicom. During the chase, a traffic accident occurred at the intersection of Brunswick Avenue and Job Lane between the escaping vehicle and another car, where one man died after he succumbed to the injuries sustained. At the time of this publication, it is unclear as to whether the man died from gunshot wounds or from the impact of the motor vehicle accident. The 3 men who were in the escaping vehicle allegedly engaged the chasing officer in a shootout. During the shootout, one of the escaping officers was shot and killed, whilst one managed to elude the police. The escaped officer is Corporal Kirk Fraser, who is being sought by the police. One is now in police custody. The 3 suspended officers, who are from the Mobile Reserve, had been previously charged for murder by Indicom and were released on bail. Further reports also suggest that 3 Glock pistols, 1.45 pistol, and a Browning 9mm pistol were seized from the getaway vehicle. The dramatic series of events are sending shockwaves through the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who are also probing the incident through their Criminal Investigations Branch (CIB) and the Inspectorate of the Constabulary.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.